Hello and welcome once again to AI Tube Tactics. Today, I will be talking about another 3 important ways we can earn extra income online with the help of AI using our phones. A quick reminder of what was discussed in the last video. Just in case you are new to this topic and haven't seen the video yet, in the last video we talked about content creation with AI tools and selling AI-generated arts or designs, and also how to effectively monetize them. In today's video, I will talk about freelance services enhanced by AI and AI-powered online tutoring or coaching, and dropshipping and e-commerce with AI Quick Tip. For the best experience, check the system requirements and ensure your smartphone has enough storage and processing power. Some advanced tools may perform better on devices with high processing capabilities. Step 3. Freelance services enhanced by AI. Freelancing is another fantastic way to make money with your smartphone. Thanks to AI, you can offer a variety of services even if you're not an expert. Here are a few examples. Writing and editing. Use AI writing tools to create blog posts, email campaigns, or social media content. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great for finding clients. Transcription apps like Otter.ai or Rev can help you quickly transcribe audio files, which you can sell as a service. Voiceover work. AI tools like Murph.ai can help you create professional-sounding voiceovers for ads, podcasts, or YouTube and videos. Now that your smartphone is set up, it's time to dive into the world of freelance opportunities that leverage AI. Start by signing up for popular platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These sites connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, making it easier for you to find work that suits your skills. By leveraging AI, you can take on multiple projects and scale your income without spending hours learning new skills. Step 1. Virtual assistants and data analysis. Freelancers providing administrative or data-related services can use AI to stay ahead. Automate scheduling, emails, and basic bookkeeping with tools like Zapier and Notion AI. Use Excel, AI, or Tableau to analyze data and create detailed reports in less time. Offer chatbot integration services using tools like ManyChat to help clients streamline their customer service. These tools let you scale your freelancing business and take on diverse projects. Step 2. Social media management. AI tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Lately.ai make social media management a breeze. Schedule posts and analyze engagement metrics. Generate AI-based captions, hashtags, and content suggestions. Offer clients comprehensive social media strategies, positioning yourself as a go-to expert. With AI, you can manage multiple clients' accounts with ease. Step 4. AI-powered online tutoring or coaching. First, decide what subject or skill you want to teach. AI tools can enhance almost any coaching or tutoring service, including academic tutoring, math, science, English, or even SAT prep. Language coaching. Teach English, Spanish, French, or any other language. Fitness and nutrition. Coaching. Guide clients through personalized AI-assisted workout plans. Business and career mentorship. Help clients with resume writing, interview prep, or entrepreneurship. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to integrate AI into your tutoring. Step 2. Creating AI-enhanced lesson plans. AI tools can help you design interactive, engaging lesson plans in minutes. Some great options include ChatGPT or Jasper, generate lesson summaries, explanations, and quizzes. Quizlet AI create custom flashcards and practice tests for your students. Khan Academy's AI Tutor use AI-generated learning resources to supplement your lessons. By letting AI handle lesson structuring, you can focus on personalized teaching and student engagement. Step 3. Automating coaching and communication. AI can automate repetitive tasks, saving you hours each week. Here's how. Google Bard or Claude AI generate personalized feedback on student assignments. Notion AI or Otter.ai automate note-taking and transcript summaries. Chatbots like ManyChat answer student FAQs automatically, even when you're offline. By automating these tasks, you can spend more time actually teaching and mentoring your students. Step 4. Hosting and selling your AI-powered courses. Want to make passive income from your tutoring business? AI makes it easy to create and sell courses online. Here's how. Use Teachable or Thinkific to create and sell online courses. Synthesia AI lets you create AI-generated video lectures without appearing on camera. Use Runway ML to edit professional-looking educational videos. Selling pre-recorded AI-powered lessons means you earn money even while you sleep. Step 5. Marketing your tutoring business with AI. Once your lessons are set, you need students. AI can help you market your services effectively. Canva's AI tools can create eye-catching social media posts and ads. AdCreative.ai can generate high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads. Use SEO AI tools like Surfer SEO to rank your website and attract organic traffic. With AI-powered marketing, you can get more clients and grow your business faster. Step 5. Dropshipping and e-commerce with AI. If you've ever dreamed of running a profitable e-commerce store without stocking inventory, you're in the right place. Today, I am diving into how you can start a dropshipping or e-commerce business using the power of AI tools. Step 1. Setting up your online store. Thanks to AI, this process is easier than ever. Use Shopify, BigCommerce, or Wix to set up your store. Many of these platforms have built-in AI tools to guide you through creating a professional, functional site. Need a logo or branding? Use AI tools like Luca or Zyro Logo Maker to create a polished, professional logo in minutes. Write compelling product descriptions with AI apps like Jasper or ChatGPT, which can generate SEO-friendly text that appeals to customers. With AI handling the tech side, you can focus on finding the right products to sell. Step 2. Finding winning products. AI tools can make product research a breeze. The key to dropshipping success is selling products that people want to buy. Use tools like Sell the Trend, Niche Scraper, or AliExpress Dropshipping Center to find trending products. These platforms use AI to analyze sales data, search trends, and customer reviews. For higher profit products, check out Spocket for US and Europe-based suppliers that offer fast shipping. AI-powered apps like ZonGuru or Helium 10 are perfect for identifying hot-selling products on platforms like Amazon. By leveraging these tools, you can quickly discover products with high demand and low competition. Step 3. Automating your operations with AI. One of the biggest advantages of AI is automation. Dropshipping involves repetitive tasks like order management, inventory syncing, and customer support. But AI can handle these for you. Use Oberlo or AutoDS to automate order fulfillment and inventory updates. Integrate chatbots like TDO or Zendesk AI to handle customer inquiries 24/7, saving you time and improving customer satisfaction. Use QuickBooks AI to automate your accounting, invoicing, and expense tracking. Automation lets you focus on scaling your business while AI handles the day-to-day. Step 4. Creating high-converting ads. Marketing is the lifeblood of any e-commerce business, and AI can help you create high-converting campaigns effortlessly. Use AdCreative.ai to design Facebook and Instagram ads optimized for conversions. It analyzes performance data to recommend the best visuals and copy. Tools like Canva AI can generate beautiful, branded designs for your social media campaigns. Use Google Performance Max or Facebook Ads Manager AI to target the right audience with precision and maximize your ad spend. AI tools analyze trends and customer behavior to ensure you get the most out of your marketing efforts. Step 5. Writing compelling email campaigns. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to drive repeat customers, and AI makes it simple. Use tools like Klaviyo AI to create personalized email campaigns. AI can analyze customer behavior and send tailored recommendations, abandoned cart reminders, or exclusive offers. Write engaging emails with AI writing assistants like Jasper or Copy.ai. With AI-driven email campaigns, you can build customer loyalty and increase your store's lifetime value. Step 6. Enhancing customer experience. Providing a great shopping experience is crucial for success, and AI tools can help you. Use Octane AI to create AI-powered quizzes that help customers find the perfect product. Integrate AI chatbots to guide customers through purchases or answer questions in real time. Analyze customer feedback with tools like MonkeyLearn AI to identify areas for improvement. A better customer experience leads to higher satisfaction, better reviews, and more sales. Step 7. Scaling with analytics and AI insights. Once your store is up and running, scaling is the next step. AI-powered analytics tools can help you make data-driven decisions. Use Google Analytics 4 to track customer behavior and optimize your website. Tools like Hotjar use AI to create heat maps of your website, showing where customers spend the most time. AI-driven pricing tools like PriceSync can help you stay competitive by adjusting prices based on market trends. By continuously analyzing your store's performance, you can scale your revenue strategically. Step 8. Expanding into print-on-demand. For even more income streams, consider incorporating print-on-demand products into your store. Use tools like Printful or Printify, which handle product creation, printing, and shipping. Design unique products with AI tools like Canva or Runway ML. Print-on-demand allows you to offer personalized items like t-shirts, mugs, or posters without holding inventory. That is it for another video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments which tools you're excited to try, or if you've already had success with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.